AI is just like Lego. I used to play with Lego when I was small, and I loved it. It's a fantastic game. But what's remarkable about the game about Lego is that each block of Lego ever created is compatible with each block of Lego that will be ever created. There's a very, very small fault tolerance. I think it's a couple of micro or nanometers, very, very small. And it's up to you as a child or an adult, up to your creativity, what you can build. And the same applies to AI. What you want to do is you want to build AI, you want to build narrow AI that's very good at certain very specific domains. And from that, you want to integrate and combine the different AI systems to create a more advanced AI agent, an AI system. And if you have enough creativity and, of course, enough funds available, anything is possible. 1 or 2 years ago, the employees of Lego created this Bugatti Chiron, made from purely Lego blocks, and it actually drove. Not very fast, 25 miles an hour, but it did drive. And I think that's a great example